Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable WooCommerce crypto payments with BitPay, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable WooCommerce crypto payments using BitPay, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Next, navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type BitPay to locate the official plugin. Once you find the BitPay plugin, click the Install Now button. After installation, activate the plugin by clicking Activate. Now, head to the WooCommerce settings by selecting WooCommerce from the sidebar. In the WooCommerce menu, click on the Settings option. Locate the Payments tab in the top navigation. You should see BitPay listed among the payment methods. Toggle the switch to enable BitPay as a payment option. Click on the BitPay link to configure its settings. You will need to enter your BitPay API key. If you don't have an API key yet, visit BitPay's website to create a merchant account. Once logged in, generate your API key from the API section in your BitPay account. Copy the API key and go back to your WooCommerce settings. Paste the API key into the appropriate field in the BitPay settings. You can customize settings such as payment title, description, and order status. Now, your WooCommerce store is ready to accept crypto payments through BitPay. To ensure everything works smoothly, make a test transaction. Visit your store and make a purchase with the BitPay payment option. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Check your BitPay account to confirm that the payment was successfully processed. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled WooCommerce crypto payments using BitPay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.